curve on both lights.
I will need to use a screw extractor on that one to get that one out. And we have our list of everything we need here. Got our screws. I'm going to be changing them out with some good stainless steel screws. I'm going to put some lock thread on there. Got the new bulbs. Got the much needed cup of coffee. Got the screw extractor. Show you how that works and how you use that. So let's get to work. So I'm going to need to use a screw extractor on that one. This one I did already just to see if those screw extractors all work. So you can get these screw extractors. These are, brand is called Hearts. You can get them about anywhere, but we got from Walmart. Our tiny little town doesn't have much where you can get things at. The box of screws that I got there, I got those at O'Reilly's because we needed to have new screws to put in there because these ones are going to be pretty messed up. But inside the parts box will show you the size drill bit that you need and to go with each one of the type of extractors. And we are going to be using the 7/64 drill bit to take out a number each screw. We're going to drill out that one. You got to drill it out really good. Sometimes almost all the way through. But you got to drill it out really well. So I'll get you over here in an angle to where you can see me drill it out. According to the instructions, you're supposed to, yeah, because it's metal on metal, you're drawing out a piece of metal. You got to put a pretty deep hole into it. And then you grab your screw extractor and a hammer. Let's put this up in there. Let's tap it up in place. Because what it's doing is as it's going in, it's as you're tapping it in, it's turning clockwise. And the reason that it's turning clockwise is because on the screw extractors, those grabbing threads are counterclockwise. So once you tap it in there, as you're tapping it in, it's turning like this to get it down, seat it in, and then you're using a wrench to grab, and then it pulls it back up. So let's see if that works. See if it grabs it and pulls it out. I did one over here, it did work. But what I had to do, I will show you the screw that I took out. That is the screw I took out, and yes, it literally drilled all the way through. I had to. I had no choice